Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaica's iconic and beloved drummer Sly Dunbar has died at the age of 73. According to the Gleaner, his wife Thelma confirmed that he passed away at home Monday morning. In the statement, she said around 7 o'clock, she went to wake him and he wasn't responding. She called the doctor, and that was the news. Sly had been ailing for some time. He was treated by physicians at home and overseas. She went on to say that Sunday was such a good day for him as friends came over to visit and they all had a good time. She knew he was sick, but his death still came as a shock. Sly Dunbar distinguished himself as one half of the iconic duo Sly and Robbie, the illustrious rhythm twins who revolutionized reggae and dancehall music. Sly Dunbar was recognized by the Jamaican government with the Order of Distinction, awarded the Musgrave Gold Medal by the Institute of Jamaica in 2015, and received a Lifetime Achievement Award from the University of Minnesota in May of 2025. The future of dancehall. Who's next in line for the throne? A topic of conversation making itself to the fore once more. Many sharing who they think is up next to steer Jamaica's biggest genres, dancehall and reggae. Reggae icon Buju Banton among the few name-dropping who he thinks is next in line.
I don't give away my ratings, you gotta earn it. Because I earn mine. But there are various artists who I see as the future, and one of such artists is Massacre. Another one of those artists is a guy called Mortimer.
Spice is teasing a gospel album. In an exclusive interview with People magazine, Spice revealed that she plans to release a gospel album, and her dream collaborators for the future gospel project are CeCe Winans, Grace Thrillers, and Jacqueline Carr. She says, "I'm not an expert in gospel, but I'm an expert in worshiping God, and I'll continue to package it in the best possible way until I know how. This is really what it is. I'm ready for the album," she says. No timeline set for the arrival of the project, but she shared that she will continue to release her gospel singles and see which one the people prefer until she figures out how to put them together. The dancehall star says she plans to continue the risque performances she is known for, but will close her shows with gospel music.
God don't play about me. God don't play about me. I'm telling you now. God don't play about me. God don't play about me. It's my winning season.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.